Bitcoin's price has pumped a lot lately, but it's still at resistance. I'm going to discuss why I'm a little short term bearish right now. Short term, very, very short term, not long term. We are in a bull market. But first, I got some funny news here. So, Kamala Harris unveils a new crypto plan and major financial opportunities for Black men. So, you know what? If you want to support this cause, check out shop.learningcrypto.com, obviously. It's all a joke, anyways. Bitcoin doesn't care whether you're black, white, purple, brown, yellow, it doesn't matter. What matters is that everybody on earth that doesn't want a bank has a little bit of Bitcoin and Monero. I would definitely recommend Monero as well. All right, moving on. 12 years ago today, Bitcoin was under $10 or just about $10. So this is the best way to preserve your wealth. It isn't just day trading, or you know how all the big traders out there are trying to just scalp every little penny they can and sell their Bitcoin. For me, I don't sell Bitcoin. Once I buy Bitcoin, it stays in my wallet. I don't sell it. I view Bitcoin as a long term holding. This is one of the reasons why I can sleep at night. I don't have to worry about the day to day prices of Bitcoin. I can simply relax, chill, and let the short term noise play out. I really don't care what happens short term. Let's move on to regulators. Regulators, you know what? They're just there to make money off of hardworking people's backs. Okay. So this is from Crypto Tips Real on Twitter. If you want to check it out, go for it. $19 billion paid to US regulators so far this year. $19 billion. They just want your money. Does it really surprise you that they are targeting crypto? Of course not. They don't care about innovation or moving the world forward. They focus on one thing, profits, and they'll do whatever it takes for their pockets. And yeah, that's exactly what is happening right now. If you can't see that, I'm sorry. Nobody can help you. But this is what regulators are there for. They're there to stifle innovation and to move the free market outside the United States. And that is exactly what is happening right now. And there's no stopping it, guys. Like I saw the white writing on the wall, especially when the US came out with Binance.us. So they kicked out Binance.com, created Binance.us to put Americans in a little tiny box because they don't, they can't be trusted, that their citizens can't be trusted. And, they suffered the consequences of that. And now they're finally just kicking out all the major exchanges. I think crypto.com as well just got a Wells notice. So they're just getting picked on. People are just going to leave elsewhere. Dubai, other places like that actually welcome innovation, which is what America actually once stood for, no longer, unfortunately. Moving on, let me discuss what is happening with open interest. So open interest is, once again, it is the amount of leverage in Bitcoin. And so anytime that open interest gets very, very high, like it is right now, check out this chart. This is the last time open interest was this high was back when Bitcoin was around $70,000. We're sitting right now about 65,500, and so this makes me very worried because whales can see this. They can easily see how leveraged people are, and it really doesn't take much of downward pressure to liquidate these people. And once you liquidate a few people, then the price goes lower, and then that liquidates even more people, and it's a snowball effect. That's why you see those giant red candlesticks. That is essentially over leveraged people getting liquidated. They're essentially gamblers. Okay, they're not long-term spot holders, which would be very healthy for the market to have right now. There are a lot of long-term spot holders, but I'm just talking about the amount of leveraged longs here. There's too many right now, and that makes me concerned that we should have a nice big pullback, a big flush. I do have some very low orders in, as you know. I've been saying this for the last 2 weeks, I'm still short-term bearish on that. You can check out learningcrypto.com for more information on that. But think about this way. Also, I did a tweet yesterday at Sir Crypto Tips. I said, "Hey, listen, you buy when people are fearful, and you are fearful when people are greedy." And this is exactly the market sentiment that kind of scares me when people are like, "Oh, we're going to go up. We're going to go up." Guys, we've been in this range for 7 months now. Nothing has changed. So just ignore these influencers out there. I mean, they're all emotional. They're just emotional people. I'm looking at the facts. I get a lot of crap for looking at just facts. I'm not emotional when I look at the market. I don't care what it does short term. I really couldn't care less. I have patience. I'm sitting on my hands. So are many of our followers, and that's the way to make a lot of money in this space and not be sidelined. If you don't have enough Bitcoin right now that you're happy with, that's a bad thing in my opinion, because you know what, the financial system of the world is eventually going to print and print and print. All right, and they are definitely doing that. Every 100 days, there is $1 trillion being printed out of thin air by the Federal Reserve, and that number is going to keep going up regardless of who wins this election in November. They have no say, of zero say, of what the private unelected Federal Reserve says. And guess who some of the major shareholders are? BlackRock, Vanguard, and State Street. So enjoy yourself. That's all I have. Talk to you soon.